Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on Fusion Markets. We are having here the chart of Ethereum to US dollars and we want to buy some gold. So what we're gonna do is we go here to search symbol and we search right here for gold. Then you will find the XAU to AUD. You also have right here the XAU to US dollar, and that's the one that we will step in with. So we click right here on the gold, and then right now what we need to do is click here on new order, where we can create a new order. So select right here your order type. So let's do a market execution, that is fine. And if you click right here on volume, let's say we want to buy 1 volume of gold. Then we can also click here on stop loss, where we can create a nice stop loss position for ourselves, or we can click right here on take profit to take the profit. And after that, once you created a stop loss or take profit or nothing, you can decide. Then we click just right here on buy by market. And now if you can see and we scroll down, we created ourselves a nice position on the market right here for gold. So this is how you can buy gold here on Fusion Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.